I think the main takeaway for me is that we're seeing and have seen, having come to a few of these events now, which technologies and which directions people are now traveling. And I think it's clear that the cloud, the modern data stack are here to stay, and they are really going to drive businesses forward over the next few years.
I think the main takeaway, it's really nice to be back at full scale again after the lockdown period. But some of the questions that people are asking are a lot more around what do we do with data when we have it, rather than necessarily the plumbing of how to build a data platform. People are already there. It's like, what do we do once we get the data? How do we make sure that our data owners and data stewards are confident in what we're trying to do? And how do we satisfy some of the legislation that's coming out there? So all the great conversations.
The main takeaways from this event is pretty much outstanding. So we've had some great presentations from people. So for example, from Snowflake side, for example, we've had Alison Tierney, that's been presented as part of the Women in Data conference. That was really helpful. We had Benoit come down already, right, to do a presentation on screen, and great guy, amazing guy. Then we had obviously a lot of people coming to the Snowflake booth, knowing about more of the new technology stacks we've had. But the key thing for me is about meeting our partners and vendors here. There's so many of our partners here today, and a lot of our customers already turned up today. And just to be able to see them face to face after so long, right? It's been such a long time since we've seen them face to face, and it's quite interesting, because you might see them on the video call and they look one way, but then in real life, they're like, oh, it's you. I was like, yes, exactly that. So it's just creating that human element to it, and I think that's the key thing.